Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahilladzi hadana li hada wa kunna linahtadiya laula hadanallah. Allahumma shalli sallim nabiyina Muhammad. It is a great honor for me to present our research about preserving Bongal archaeological sites, an on-site museum approach to cultural preservations on the west coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. I would like to introduce Sultan Institute first before starting my presentations. Our institute focus on the study of Islamic heritage in terms of Islamic archaeology, maritime history, and material cultures. Since the period of early Islam, 7th century to the end of Sultanate's era in Indonesia. Historically, Indonesia has almost more than 47 sultanates, ranging from the 13th century to the 20th century, which stretching from the northwesternmost parts of Indonesia in Arabic accounts or navigational referred as Jazirah to Sumatra or Madinah to Sumatra, Az-Zabaj, and the Al-Jawa in the central, and also in the eastern most parts of Indonesia, Arabic accounts call it Jaziratul Mulk, or nowadays named Maluku Island and Papua. We also would like to welcome all of you. We are hosting internet conference on this on-site museum mid-August, welcoming all of overseas and various participants in the countries. Okay, this is the locations of the Bongal archaeological site in the western coast of Sumatra, facing across the Indian Oceans. It is a crucial hub for the transoceanic networks, commercial networks, and also a dialogue of civilization between Middle East, South Asia, and China. This is the location of the Bongal site with link around 60 kilometers south from Barus. Barus, one of the most prominent archaeological site, 60 kilometers northern or western coast of Sumatra. The Bongal site geographically situated along Tapanuli Bay on the west coast of Sumatra. It is a global maritime trade between 7th until 10th century. Confirmed by radiocarbon dating analysis, we have some publications, journals, and we have presented in some conference, so you can search it. And also the discovery of the shipwreck suggests Bongal function of vibrant port cities. It is located in the Lumut River. The topography is lowland, plain zone with the alluvial plains, and its regional significance, proximity, its importance within the regions of Islamization and commercial exchange routes. Key archaeological findings in Bongal sites excavation reveals reflecting its role as a cosmopolitan trade hub. Coins such as Arab Sasanian coins, Umayyad coins, Abbasid coins, and also Tang Dynasty chopper coins. Glassware indicating 8 until 11th century fragments. Ship components, we have timber and stern post rudder, perhaps dhow, and also Southeast Asian tradition technique ship. And also we have organic material like camphor, resins, nuts, seeds, and also jewelry, beads, gems, fines jewelry, metal. Also we have early Islamic surgical medical instruments also found in this site. Inscription, we have some about 14 Islamic seal stone, which is Arabic script with Kufic, and also ceramics, Chinese dingware, yuware, and also Islamic glass pottery from Abbasid and white blueware, Samara type, and also Turkish glass. This is the locations of the environmental condition of the site, which is the level 1, level 2, and also the location. And also this one, the sedimentation of the river from the bird point of view. Museum Vansuri Situs Bongal, or on-site Museum Vansuri, is a model of community-based cultural heritage preservations, represent a strategic approach to the preservations and management of its cultural heritage. It is directly connected with the site historical artifacts with the local community, which is fostering active participation in conservation, cultural continuity, raising public awareness, and promoting shared sense of ownership over the region's historical legacy. It is adapting public archaeology and the new museology paradigm. The museum moves beyond traditional artifacts display, actively engage public understanding and interpreting the past, creating spaces for social interaction where community can contribute to shaping historical narratives. This community-centered approach enhances cultural heritage awareness and supports the sustainable preservation of the Mongol site. Through active community involvement, interpretation, safeguarding, and ensure that cultural legacy is not only preserved but also meaningful experience. Literature review, public archaeology, new museology, and also new urban agenda, which creates opportunities for the local communities to have a sense of ownership and also active engagement and participation. These paradigms shift affects the values attributed to the museums, a process often referred to as the reinventing the museum. New museumology emphasizes a reconstructive approach to collection, presentation, promoting more interactive and participatory experience. Application of on-site museum and the reconstructive method. In Indonesia, the concept of on-site museum has gained significant recognition. Key example, Borobudur Temple, which is one of the cultural wonderlands, Trowulan as the capital of Majapahit Kingdom, and also Chinatown Site Museum, which is aligned with the principle of new museology, and also Underwater Archaeological Museum in Cirebon, West Java. Internationally, also in gold mining in Colorado, United States, and also Lifestyle of Industrial Revolution in Open Air Museum in UK. Integrating public archaeology and museology and sustainable development. The integration of public archaeology and museology, particularly through reconstructive method, play crucial role in sustainable communities. Approach aligned with the principle of new urban agenda, which emphasizes preservation of cultural heritage as an essential element of urban planning and development. On-site museum fair ensure advancing community engagement and sustainable preservation. Methodology, we do museum concept, curatorial design, availability, quality, stakeholder engagement. Using theoretical framework, public archaeology, and new museology paradigm. Towards sustainable, the role of the on-site museum highlight the critical need for sustainable preservation efforts, collaboration with stakeholders, on-site museum as the bridge across past time, a vital link between past, present, and futures, preserving and exhibiting material culture, honors historical legacy. Also connects with present day issues, deepen public understanding while ensuring that these remain relevant and also inspire critical reflection. Community involvement in heritage preservation also actively engage in the preservation. This one, our humble, modest, not so big museum on site. And also the vision is for this interdisciplinary research, we have 3 rooms for the guest house for the researchers, a small auditorium for 30 scholars, and also the gallery. Primary mission for research facilitation, knowledge dissemination, and heritage preservation. Discussion and recommendation, implemented strategic measure aimed at ensuring sustainable preservation at the Bongol site, which is a strong emphasis on collaboration and active stakeholder participation, particularly from the local community. Collaborative partnership has been established with educational and office of the Tapanuli Central Regency, Cultural Preservation Agency from North Sumatra Province, and also Indonesian National Research and Innovation Agency, Archaeological Center for the government, and also the Ministry of Culture. Future direction enhancing engagement. While current respective participatory efforts have made significant progress, ongoing refinement necessary.
Excuse me, Mr. Nuriaza, you have only 2 minutes.
1 minute?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay. Strengthen education and knowledge dissemination, create more engaging, accessible experience for diverse audience. Recommendation, advancing the experiencing culture concept. Experiencing culture concept, an on-site can further enrich visitor engagement with the history of the cultural heritage. This method encourage immersive interactive experience, foster deeper connection between visitor and region maritime heritage. Advancing experience culture associated with introducing innovative and immersive strategy to enhance visitor engagements, and also dynamic institution advancing education and research. Strengthening also the preservation, sustainable preservation and academic advancement. Sustainable preservation effort not only safeguard the Bongol site cultural heritage, also create long-term opportunities for academic research and scholar engagement. Participation of researchers and scholars from diverse disciplines contribute to the enrichment, collective knowledge, and promotes deeper nuance. Recommendation, temporary exhibitions, adopting thematic approach, exhibition structure accessible, enhance visitor engagement, also strengthen with educational institution, strengthening partnership, initiative with more inclusive, more dynamic and meaningful to participatory experience learning. Enhancement of experiencing culture facilities, technological integration with documentary films, also multimedia storytelling. Museum can provide immersive, accessible experience for visitor. This enhancement will make museum resources more affordable and accessible to wider audience, including student, researcher, and general public. Thank you for your attention. Shukran.